Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Inspiring Joy. My name is Jody. So today we are outside in our backyard and we are going to do some planting in our raised bed garden. So we have 2 raised beds. My husband built them, put them together. We did order them from a company and I'll include the link to that company in my description. But for today we have dirt in them. We're going to add some organic raised bed soil and then the plants that we purchased as well. So we have herbs, vegetables, and even some flowers. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'll set up the camera and then after everything's planted, we'll go through and show you what we have. I also want to show you that we have a new puppy. His name is Bailey. He is a lab mix. We got him from a shelter in our area. And he is absolutely adorable.
A little higher than that, or start with that?
I think we start with that. Yeah, that sounds good.
All right, great.
All right. So my husband John here is going to help put in all of the dirt and the plants.
And now we're going to add just a little bit to bring it up to about an inch below the lip. We displace the dirt with the plants.
What are you doing, Bailey? What are you doing, little Bailey? All right, so the dirt is in the raised beds, and now we'll start adding the plants. So the plants that we're going to put in this raised bed, we have strawberry plant. We have an annual flower, which is what's this called? Petunia. So in the raised bed, we have 2 lavender, 2 petunias, 2 strawberries, 2 cilantro, 2 sweet basil. What do you have there, honey?
There's some zucchini.
Yep, 2 zucchini. And then 2 cherry tomatoes.
Yeah, these are...
1 for each, right? Or...
Yep, just straight up, just regular cherry tomatoes.
But the tomato plants down here, so these are both indeterminate, which can grow up to any size, but are they heirloom specifically?
Yes, and they are. And this one, these were, so we have big boys and... I forget what the nature of these ones were. Oh, what were they called?
Oh, there was a little black and white sticker there. Oh, no.
They're 1999. Goliath.
Goliath, yes. So we have Goliath and what was the other?
And these were big boys.
Big boys, yeah. Both indeterminate, which means that they grow throughout the season.
Yep. Grow until the frost kills them.
Grow until frost kills them.
Kills them.
Okay.
And then the cherry tomatoes, I believe, are just indeterminate. They might be a hybrid. What is that? The semi-indeterminate.
Right.
Because they'll just keep going too.
Okay.
And these we probably have to put up just because of our new little buddy.
Yeah. So what we're going to do is make a little hole and put John has some organic plant food. This brand here, it's Burpee All-Purpose Organic Plant Food. So we'll put some of that in each hole for each plant. So John will do that part first. So John's gonna make the hole, put in the plant food, and then I'll put the plant in each hole, and then we'll cover it up with the potting soil.
This is gonna be up to you. You like, I'm a symmetry guy, but I would totally, if you want to just put it there, I'm gonna be great.
I am thinking we keep it in the middle. I'm liking this symmetry piece that you have going on here too.
I know it's not natural that way in nature always.
Yes, symmetry is always a good thing, I think. We tried that we did that this morning with our yoga class.
Oh, we did.
Balance and symmetry.
Gotta do the right side, left side.
That's right. Balance both. Our dog is tethered to a planter because he was running around the yard and into other people's space, but he's pretty wrapped up right now. Looks kind of cute. Okay, I'm holding the camera, but I can do this fluffing part here. A little bit of that in there. looks great, honey. Okay. Feed in this one?
In that one.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the basil going in here.
You know what brings me joy?
What's that?
Your new garden hat.
You want to get it? Did you get it on camera?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Looks
Well,
fantastic.
I don't like to be. I don't, when the sun's out, I like to be shaded, especially when gardening. So I'm glad you liked it.
It looks great.
You helped me pick it out. So. Okay, so this one goes here, right, honey? You said?
Yeah.
Okay, where's our feed? Here. And I would say read the directions for the amount to feed. I know for a large bush, we did about a large handful, and for this, I'm just going to do doing a smaller amount.
It's right around a quarter cup.
Overfeed. Pardon?
Maybe a little less, like 2 tablespoons is about what we're shooting for.
I think that's.
We're losing the symmetry there, hon.
Oh gosh.
It's fine, but
No, you're absolutely right, honey. Got this thing hanging. The string got in the way. Let's see, there we go.
Perfect.
Better. Yes. That's pretty symmetrical, right? Down in the middle.
no.
No.
So it'd be balance on one side, balance on the
Is
other
this
side.
one in here? Oh. What's in here?
Nothing.
Oh. Okay. So let's just slide these guys right here.
Yeah. Just like the way you did the basil on the other side.
Oh, up here?
Yeah, like right here.
Gotcha. Maybe you should do the holes, honey. You're more symmetrical than I am. I think.
Well, I'm being a little more picky than you are, which is probably not a particularly good quality, but
Well, there's nothing wrong with wanting things to be symmetrical. This guy, these two in the corners.
yeah.
Roughly, right? Okay. So I'm going to take this guy this way. Okay, doke. I think this bed is done. And then now we go to the next one. I'll take this and this with me. How does that look?
Great.
Do you think this is too close? Should we bring it out this way?
We can't actually. I think when we originally planned, we were going to do 2,
Or did you want to do 2 in here?
but no. Let's just leave it that way.
Leave it the way it is.
Yeah, we can make it symmetrical over there.
Pardon?
We can leave it symmetrical over there.
Okay. So let's go to the other one.
Oh my goodness!
What's the matter?
Nothing. I stepped on. I'm just killing my feet.
Okay, now we're going to go to the second bed. All right, so we have the same plants over here, different bed. Actually, though, we did add
Different plants.
different plants, so we do have some additional plants. Okay, so we have 2 lavenders over here, which
we're
I
g-
could put in a pot too.
Well, I think we go for it. We're already overloading this bed, kind of, because we have strawberry plants and some squash, some zucchini,
I think we. Okay, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
and a tomato, and a couple of lavenders. And then I just always like to put flowers in, so however they end up, because it looks pretty.
I think so too. So this one here, you think? Can you drop the Ruby in here for me?
Yep.
And like a cinematic kind of. So that will do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching us and our planting in our 2 raised beds. So we'll keep an eye on how things grow and give you updates and go from there. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye now.